Rajbag Beach is the place where the beautiful Talpona River meets the Arabian Sea. To reach this beach, one should travel through one of the luxurious resorts in South Goa, the Lalit. Untouched by the mad partying crowds, Rajbag is a must-visit venue in South Goa. The bridge on the NH66 is a perfect spot to watch gratifying sunsets. It's also a popular choice among tourists and locals to watch the sun dipping down to the sea. Serene and peace are the two words I use to describe Galgibaga. A turtle nesting site with a row of pine trees, it's a perfect place for families. This is the place where the huge Galgibaga river touches the sea. Added to everything mentioned, this place is one of the best spots to sit on the rocks near the confluence of river and sea. The bridge on the Galgibaga is as huge as the river and offers the most scenic views of the estuary. The whole idea of Goa started when two crazy people came up with 15 different ideas, ended up in South Goa for 30 days.